Good morning, you guys. Happy Monday. Today is Monday, you guys, and I am up doing Amazon Flex. I have a block this morning, 6:45 a.m. So I am here already. It's 3 hours for $89. 3 hours and a half. 3 hours and a half for. Okay, I think we can start loading up right now. Yeah, so we can start loading up because they had us wait. So this is what I have, and let me start scanning so we can start heading. Ooh, look at this. It's supposed to be 3 hours and a half, but they just gave me a 3 hours route. But for the two packages, I'm done packing. This is for one tote, and this is for another tote. Hope it's not gonna fall. And we have this. Yeah, today's route, guys, don't mind me. I woke up, I didn't want to do nothing to my hair. I'm like, I'm going like this. Anyway, I'm going to deliver, and there's no people going to see us like that. So I'm so lucky. I'm only going 12 minutes for my first drop off, and everything else is going to be around that area. I mean, that city. It's just in city next to here. So I am so happy today, and so lucky as well. So I think they're about to release us. We're about to start heading. Currently is, what time is it? 6:57. Altogether I have 42 packages and only 32 stops. So 32 stops with 42 packages. Morning, you guys. It's the next day. Right now it's 10 o'clock, you guys. I just finished doing my Amazon block for the morning. I finished around 9:13, and it took me about 30 minutes to get home. So I'm like, instead of going to sleep, let's go and do some exercise. I'm taking a walk right now. My goal is to walk over 30 minutes. So let's get our steps in, guys. Let's walk our weight off, y'all. I've been gaining weight. I've been gaining weight, so I'm like, oh hell no. I don't want to get where I was. So let me start my routine again, you know. So I'm trying to come up with a good time for me to be exercising, because right now I am free. I am available from like 11ish to 11 a.m. to, let's say, 3. So I'm trying to really get a good time so I can be exercising. Yeah, so let's get our steps in. I don't have any order for my afternoon block, evening block, but I'm gonna stay looking on the app here and there to see if I can catch it. Yeah, my morning block was for $86, 3 hours, and I finished it in 2 hours and a half. So that was a good deal. While I was taking my walk, I received a catering order at 11:37. So I did my walking, and right now I am going to pick up my catering pickup, you guys. It's $37 and it's only going a few miles. I think it was 2 miles, 3 miles. So let's go Jersey Mike to pick up this carrying order. Alright you guys, I only have one bag today. So let's go delivery. It's so hot. Whew. Yo, look at that. I dropped this carrying order like only 5 minutes away from my house. So let's go home right now. I have a lot of things going on. I need to clean up. I need to do laundry. I need to do so many things, you guys. And in today's vlog, I'm gonna put everything. I'm gonna show you guys how my day be going sometimes, you know. Not every day, because sometimes I be ignoring those chores. But today, I'm not going to ignore nothing. This is my living room. I'm about to clean it over here. And I'm about to take this out so I can go wash them. They look dirty. Some clothes and I'm about to go put away all this, and I'm still washing some and I still have this to wash, so still going, y'all. Didn't show me cooking this, but while I was cleaning I was also cooking, and I am so hungry. I need to eat something right now. I have been cleaning for more than, I think, 3 hours, 4 hours, so I'm about to eat. I didn't put no chicken in here because I didn't have it in the house, so yeah. You guys, it's 5:21 right now. It's 5:21 and I received another block from Amazon and I'm on my way going on my first drop off. You guys, as I told you guys, I do 2 Amazon a day now. I do 2 Amazon a day. So this here, let me show you the boxes. I have the boxes already. I'm packed. When I say I'm packed, I am packed. So it's for 3 hours and a half. And so we're supposed to start, I was supposed to be there 5:15, but I got there so early and I packed my stuff so early. So 3 hours and a half, and it paid me $89. $89. It's the same day. So after doing my things at home, you guys, I took a nap, I think for an hour. I took my nap for an hour, and I'm up here now. I am up here doing Amazon Flex. I hope by 8 I'm gonna be done, but most of the time these routes, it be taking me 2 hours and a half to finish, even though they say 3 hours and a half. I'm hot. It's super hot. Back in the house, you guys. Back in the house. Thank you guys for watching. I finished my route around 8 o'clock. I was done, you guys, and I was supposed to finish 8:45. So anyway, took shower and ate my dinner. Right now I'm about to go to sleep. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.